Pardon, this is Longsing Terong. I hail from Difu, Karbi Anglong, in the state of Assam and India. Basically, I'm a journalist, academician, social worker, and a language activist as well. Presently, I am the director of Center for Studies in Karbi Language and Culture of Dibrugarh University, and also the chief editor of Theka Karbi Daily. Committed to empowering my committee in fostering a shift away from dependency on government support and encouraging entrepreneurship that leverage local resources. To this end, I organize and participate in numerous meetings, workshops, training sessions at the grassroots level, state level, and at national level, often collaborating with agriculture promoters and prominent agriculturists. Together with a friend, I have also established a platform to connect market with promoters of seed and other agricultural resources. I remain actively involved in various language, social, and cultural organizations at the local, state, and national levels. My past roles include chairman of the Karbi Language Development Board, president of state, central committee of state in the state of the Journalists Association for Assam, and national secretary of the Association of Small and Medium Newspaper of India. I also serve as an advisor to several journalist organizations, including the Press Club, and have supported numerous student and social organizations in my region. I am thrilled to participate in the Pride of the Tribes Global Tribal Business Forum 2025 in Dubai. I deeply value the mission to unite tribal communities worldwide and applaud the version of promoting entrepreneurship for the upliftment of tribal people. I believe this platform will serve as a vital corridor for development, enabling tribes to adapt to changing trends and build sustainable business. I look forward to contribute to and learning from this transformative initiative. Thank you.